you're watching Makayla's Playground, and today I would teach you how to make a doggy. Episode 1. Episode 1.
Can you tell them first who have you been watching the last couple days? Mo Willems.
Yeah, and our elephants are so bad. I don't know how to even draw an elephant. Mine looks like a monkey.
Yeah, me and Makayla were attempting to follow his tutorial.
Okay, first we make just one round circle like this. And I will show you the rest after. We just make one donkey ear. We do the same thing, like a thing. Then we just add one little thing.
Can you tell us what you're doing?
Yeah, so I'm drawing a little dog. And do not look.
Oh, okay. Mommy won't look. I'll just record it.
So you just make one smart body. And
is it a...
there it is.
Does it have eyelashes?
No.
No?
It's a boy dog.
Oh, so boy dogs don't have eyelashes? Boy dog. Good job.
Now let's color him.
And color him in?
Yeah. Of course, yellow. I don't know how I got that. Pink! There! And after I'm making one more, it is a pigeon.
You're gonna make a pigeon?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're coloring in, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of brown because dogs are white.
Yeah.
So the ears are gonna be brown, but I'm gonna color the body in a different color. I'm just coloring the ears brown. Dogs don't even have hands, but their legs are hands, just like Justice. The cat that always scratches me.
Yeah.
Bad cat.
I don't know. I don't think you have enough markers.
This might take a couple of practice. Remember, you fill in the whole thing. I don't want to see any white showing.
But can you also tell them it's okay to go outside the line sometimes and make mistakes?
Yeah, that's just what I did.
Okay.
So if you go out of the line, that is okay. Work takes practice.
Mm-hmm.
You get what you get, and you don't.
Let me see. Show me. Ooh, good job.
So how to make a pigeon? So we just do one circle. Now let's do legs. I don't know how many legs does a pigeon have. Maybe 3.
You can make a 3-legged pigeon. Oh, I like his little tail. Wait, is it a boy or a girl pigeon?
So tiny you can do this. I just made hair. I'm just gonna be giving some bangs.
Some bangs? That's a fancy pigeon.
It's just disguising. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh my gosh.
What? No, I love it. Come here, Show me.
Hold on, I'm making a cat. So I can do a better cat. This is just a boy. There's 2 boy cats.
No, okay. So that means they have no eyelashes. Okay.
Not me.
Ooh.
There.
Cute.
Now 2 cats. Two cats.
Good job.
I'm signing my name differently.
Oh, you're mixing the letters? Ooh.
Now let's color it. And they're gonna look the same.
Okay, they're twins?
Yeah, they're twins. Because they're boy cats.
Mm-hmm.
This is actually a girl cat, but this is a boy cat.
Oh, okay.
The sister and the brother.
Yeah. Ooh, I love it. Good job.
So I'm just gonna write their names.
What are their names?
You cannot see. This is just a secret.
Okay. Okay.
No, don't.
I'm not looking. I'm closing my eyes.
So Emily and John.
I like it.
Emily is this one and this one is John.
Ooh.
John Cena.
Okay, can you get the picture of your dog and show us your pictures? I would ask for the pigeon, but I know how you feel about your pigeon. Oh, okay, you want to do it like that? Okay. Hold on, let's hold it right here. Ooh. Emily and John. Okay. And
This little stomach is so cute and the little ears.
mhm.
Oh wait, I like the eyes.
Yeah, good job.
I like.
Boy dog.
Yeah, that's an eye. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another Makayla video, touch here and like and subscribe. Bye.